Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your love reading. Yeah, general and love reading mid-March. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, ito po yung kanyang FB page. Message lang po kayo sa kanya. And, yeah. Sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And don't forget our second channel, Love Letter. O, diba? Pwedeng mag-send ng mga love messages kung kanino man gusto ninyong mag-send, no? Doon natin babasahin. Lalo na sa mga iba sa atin na parang, yes, binlock na kayo ng person. Okay, mga ganyan. Doon natin idaan. Malay nyo, nandun pala siya. Diba? Mabasa niya or sabihin natin, marinig niya yung mensahe mo para sa kanya. Okay? So, yung may mga ina-admire dyan. Oh, yes. Pwedeng gawin ninyong way, yung love letter. Love letter para sa sarili. Yeah, may ganun. Okay. So, yeah. Nasa description box ang link ng ating second channel. And yes, pagdating sa ating mga items, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. Okay, ito yung ring natin. This is adjustable. Yes. Okay, so nothing to worry. Oh, nothing to worry. Oh, pagdating po sa, ang tawag dyan? Sa sizes. Okay? So, na-adjust kasi yung ring. So, ito yung ating dalawang bracelet. Garterize and adjustable. Yeah. So, available in red string. Okay, ito po yung may initial na inilalagay kami. Okay, so yung atin namang necklace. So, ganito siya. This is unisex. Maliit lang yung kanyang pendant as you can see. Ganito lang siya. Diba? Ganyan lang siyang kaliit. Yeah. Ganyan lang, kaliit yung pendant. Anyway, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? And merong extender yung kanyang chain. Pero kung gusto nyo gumamit ng ibang chain, pwede naman. Wala namang problem. So, ito na mga ating granter. This is made to order. Okay? Wala kayong makikitang gaya nito kasi ako po yung gumawa nung design. Ako yung nag-design, ha? O baka sabihin nyo, ganto ganyan, ganto ganto, may nakita po akong ganyan. Edi, go! Pero ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, sa akin po nagmula itong design. Okay, ako ang tawag dyan, nag-customize. Okay? So, this is si granter, taga-grant na mga minamanifest, and tagapagbigay ng mga surprises. So, ito po is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung chain. Ganito siya pag nakasuot. Okay. So, yan. Front and back meron. Okay. So, yeah, para siyang may glass. Okay. So, kay love naman, kay love, bracelet, anything about love. Single ka, may mga issue whatsoever, situationship like that, no label, yes, pwede sa'yo yan. And yung ating cord cut, yes, available. Okay? So, kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po, no? Para doon na lang namin may explain. Okay, so let's start the reading, Cancerians. Okay. Cancer placements. In general, hanggang mid-March, anong kailangan mong malaman, Cancer? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Cancerian? The Fool in reversed. The Page of Swords. This is, sabihin nating online. I don't know kung anong meron online. There's this something significant. Okay? Some of you, you're stalking. Or maybe there's this somebody who's stalking you. Merong gustong malaman. Like getting info. Parang ganyan. What's with this? The Fool in reversed. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you, this is energy na pwedeng meron kayong titingnan online, pagdating sa pagbi-business. I don't know. Some of you, ikaw itong maggagawa ng page para sa business mo, para makita ng iba, makita ng mga tao kung ano bang meron. Like that. Somebody's interested, pero yeah, this is not love. O ayoko mag-focus muna sa love or connections. Some of you, nakakuha ko yung energy about planning, about your finances, kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? So there. So what else for you, Cancer? Two of Wands in reverse. What's that? The King of Cups. May talaga naman. Okay. Are you manifesting somebody? You manifesting somebody? Kung nagmamanifest ka po, ng specific na tao dito, asahan nyo, mas lalo kayo mahihirapan. Mas lalo kayo mahihirapang makuha. We don't manifest a specific person. We don't do that. Okay? The energy, pwede. Pero the specific person, no, we don't do that. Okay. Some of you, ikaw itong parang makakahiligan mo. May isang bagay or hobby na pwedeng kahihiligan mo or sabihin nating magsisimula. Bago. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo na nauumay na sa mga ginagawa everyday. Like that. So, andyan yung tutuklas ka ng bagong kagigiliwa, ng bagong, sabihin nating, bagong pag-uubusan ng oras. Okay? So, what else for you, Cancer? Some of you, hindi ka open for love. Sinasabi lang dito. Yeah, Judgment in reversed. This is like ending of cycle or cutting off routines. Judgment in reversed. Seven of Swords. What's with this? Seven of Swords. The Eight of Wands. You'll get a message. You will get a message na pag nakita mo na or nakuha mo na tong mensaheng to, hindi ka na para mag-overthink. Okay? Hindi ka na para mag-overthink ng kung ano man. That's general. I think you need that. I don't know. Some of you, this is talking about pera. Okay, darating na yung pera mo. Parang ganun. Okay, sige, ganto. Like that. Financial support maybe coming. Okay, so there, yun ang aking nakikita for you in general. Okay, in general. So ano bang meron pagdating sa love? So in love, Cancer, ano bang meron for you in love? Hindi po in love ha, in love. Okay, Cancer, What's for you? Anong kailangan malaman pagdating sa love? Okay. Sa connection, sa relationship, if ever. The Empress. Pregnancy. For some of you. Yeah. Fertility. The Seven of Cups. You're getting a lot of attention. May mga nagkakagusto sa'yo, sabihin nating madami. Ha, madami. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may mga babaguhin kayo. Pagdating sa looks, para makakuha ng attraction, parang ganun eh. Death in reverse. May mga babaguhin pagdating sa sarili. Some of you, may mga darating na bago. Mayroon ding darating na mga ex. Because of your, sabihin nating bago pagdating sa energy mo. What else? Seven of Pentacles. Investing. Somebody. Or maybe, let's see. What's with the Seven of Pentacles? Yeah, the Lovers. Oh, kung sino man yung kakonect mo ngayon, may chance na pwedeng mag-grow pa. Mag-invest pa totally. Okay. Somebody's waiting na magkaroon ng connection or relationship with you, or maybe you are. You're wanting a connection or relationship with this Earth sign or Gemini. Specific. Okay? Pero in general, you're still invested. Attached pa rin. What's with this? Anong kailangan mong malaman dito? If you're waiting, still, maybe. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. Hindi mo raw kailangan mag-invest ng energies sa kung ano man. Lalo na kung naghihintay ka lang dito, you're just expecting something from them. Mas maganda, mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Okay? Mas mag-focus ka sa strength, sa stability mo, something like that. Okay? Para, yeah, I think maging fair ka lang din. Yeah, somebody wants to pursue you. Somebody. Meron parang gustong i-fix, I think. Meron ditong parang, hindi, ano eh, it's like a gabay na hindi mo kailangang, ibigay lahat, parang ganyan, magtira ka para sa sarili. Yeah, the Devil is here. Kasi ang sinasabi dito, iba sa inyo nag-expect ka ng something pagdating sa love. Huwag ka raw masyadong mag-expect. Okay, para yes, hindi ka ganun na masaktan. I don't know why. I don't know. Kasi maybe you're expecting too much. Okay. What else? Five of Wands. The Hierophant in reversed. I'm getting this energy about pregnancy talaga. Some of you po yung mga hindi talaga ready na magkaroon ng mini you. Then, alam mo na. Okay? I'm seeing here arguments. Hindi kasi totally nagbibigay ng oras sa connection. Anong meron dito? Anong meron? Hindi pagkakaintindihan eh. Okay, the Five of Swords in reversed. The situation or the issue is parang masaswept lang under the rug. So, kailangan nang i-address to. Kailangan may address to. The Magician. Communication. So, siguro naman, hindi naman ito totally like arguments, no? Pero, parang something needs to, to be addressed. Parang ganyan. May kailangang malaman yung isa. Hoy, ganito ka, ganto. Parang ganun. Okay, may napapansin ako sa'yo ganto, ganyan. Sabi mo ganto ang gagawin natin, pero bakit ganyan ang ginagawa mo? Kailangan mong i-address, no? Kailangan mong sabihin kung anong mga napapansin. Good cooperation or good communication, kailangan. Kung ano man ito. If you have somebody, if you have someone nakakonect. Okay? So, there. So, let's go na sa iyong person. Person on your mind. Cancer. So, who is this person? The person on your mind. Let's see. Let's check. Okay. Cancer. Oops. Anong meron sa person mo, Cancer? Anong meron sa kanya? The Ten of Swords. Oh, may nangyaring separation. Endings. Ten of Swords. Oh, the Queen of Pentacles. Mabait. Mabait, Cancer. Bait siya. Ito yung taong kahit ilang beses mawala, hindi mo pagdadalawang isipang balikan. Kasi napakabait, sabihin nating available. I don't know kung bakit nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Maraming naitulong sa'yo itong taong to. Okay? Some of them, they're a mother figure or father figure. They have kids. Child. So there's this separation. Some of you, you're healing from them. Okay, anong kailangan mong malaman ngayon, Cancer, pagdating sa situation ninyo? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The Lovers. Ooh, sabi na eh. Strong connection. The Lovers. A strong connection. Page of Swords. Pwedeng meron pa rin nag-i-stalk dito. Kung may nangyaring separation, somebody's stalking. Somebody is pwedeng tumitingin pa rin ng dahilan para bumalik or para ayusin itong connection na to. Yeah, the Six of Chalices. Maraming nangyaring hindi maganda sa past, I think. Gusto mo tong taong to. Some of you, nakikita mo tong taong to na talagang siya na yung para sa'yo. Parang siya lang yung pwede, no? Parang siya lang yung nakikitaan mo ng long term. Siya yung nakikita mong gusto mong makasama forever. Woo! Or maybe sila yun pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng vice versa. Somebody is still stalking. Somebody wants to reconnect. Ano emosyon ito for you, Cancer? Kung wala ng communication, gusto niya makipag-communicate. Some of them, they're still reminiscing things, no? Okay, they miss you. Some of them, nagbabackread ng mga mensahe kung ano man. Okay? I don't know. Meron silang mga tinitingnan eh. Age gap. We have here age gap. Anong emosyon ng taong to sa'yo, Cancer? Two of Wands. I'm hearing complicated. The Emperor. Komplikadong connection. Oo. So, Marami ang nangangailangan sa taong ito. Ano, parang superhero. Parang superhero ang datingan. Anyway, hindi ko malaman kung bakit kailangan kanyang tanggalin, kung bakit kailangan kanyang i-end. O siguro mas meron itong pinagtutuon ng pansin sa ngayon. Okay? They turn their back on you. At mas pinipili yung dapat. They're like matured. Okay? They're matured. The Emperor, that's a big decision na pwedeng nangyari sa past. A big decision. Yeah, they miss you. They still want you. Like this connection, I think. How do you see them, Cancer? Let's see. How do you see this person right now? The Page of Chalices. The Knight of Wands. What? You're seeing this person na talagang sabihin natin hindi siya nagbibigay, sabihin natin hindi kanya pinahalagahan. And nagfo-focus siya sa ibang bagay na wala namang kapararakan. Yun ang nakikita mo sa kanya. That's not true. Nagbibigay po siya ng ibang attention sa iba. Yun po ang nakikita ko. No, it's not. They're the Emperor. They're the Emperor. Hindi gagawa tong Emperor ng mga walang kapararakang bagay at walang mga kapararakang desisyon sa buhay nila. Okay? Some of you, hindi mo pa talaga ma-reach kung anong nakikita, kung anong point of view ng taong ito. Okay? Hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Maybe, hindi kayo magkapareho ng level. Okay? Pagdating sa buhay. Or sabihin natin ng mga nangyari na. Okay? Mga dinanas. Like that. Kaya siguro hindi rin maintindihan ng isa yung pinapaintindi ng isa. You see them, somebody na pwedeng mga pinagagawa lang naman is puro ka anuhan. Ito yun, pero it's not. Yun ang tingin mo. Yun lang ang tingin mo. Pero sa totoo lang, alam mo itong taong to, marunong sa buhay. Talagang tinitingnan mo lang sabihin natin gumagawa ka lang ng mga sabihin natin pang sarili mo lang na kaisipan pagdating sa kanya. Mababaw ang tingin mo sa kanya, Cancer. Okay? Mababa ang tingin mo. Hindi mo makita ang totoong value ng taong to. Hindi mo nakita. I'm sorry, pero I don't know kung flip yung energy. Yeah, pang sarili. High Priestess. Kung anong nakikita mo lang sa isip mo, yun lang. Yun lang paninindigan mo. Parang ganun Anyway, what is their next action towards you? Marami hindi mag-resonate doon. Kasi, syempre, di ba? Anong next action niya towards you? The Magician in reversed. And the King of Swords. Communication, medyo malabo. Okay? Kung anong kailangan itong gawin towards you, yun ang gagawin niya. In general. Kung anong kailangan, kung anong tama, yun ang gagawin niya. Kung meron sa inyo unfinished business, okay, unfinished business yun. Hindi kasi niya pwedeng ipaintindi sa'yo yung mga bagay na sabihin natin ipipilit pa niyang intindihin mo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, see? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse is just a waste of time. Kung hindi tayo magkakaintindihan, kung hindi mo makikita yung mga, sabihin nating, kung ano nakikita ko dito sa sitwasyon, hindi talaga tayo magkakaintindihan. Ako malalim, ikaw mababaw, papaano yun? Parang ganun eh. They're matured. Some of you are not. Yeah. Real talk. Okay? So, yes. Hindi porke kayo yung binabasahan ko is kayo yung magiging bida. Hindi ako ganun. Ha? Okay? Kung nakikita ko itong taong to is meron silang, sabihin nating mga rason, dahilan na kailangan ipaintindi sa'yo. At lalabas na ikaw yung villain dito, then, gagawin ko yun. Okay? I don't do sugar-coated readings. Yung masaya lang, masarap pakinggan. Yung parang bida ka lagi. No, I don't do that. Kung kailangan mong ikaw yung villain dito, ipaparamdam ko sa'yo, ikaw ang villain dito. Pero syempre, sabi ko nga, alam nyo kung ano, kung saan kayo mag-fit. Anyway. Some of you feeling mo, nasaktan ka ng taong to eh. Unang-una pa lang, they're the Queen of Pentacles. Ang daming responsibilities. They're like a mother figure, father figure. Hindi lang ikaw, no? Hindi lang ikaw yung kailangan niyang pagtuunan ng pansin at atensyon. Okay? Hindi sila ganun. Some of them, they're single parent. Yeah. Marami na pinagdaanan sa buhay. Okay? Parang may ganun. Okay? Been through a lot. Some of you, gagaganto pa lang yung nararanasan mo. Kung ihahambing sa naranasan nitong taong to. This is so specific. So specific. Itong reading na to. Okay? So, yeah, let's see ano bang outcome / advice for you, Cancer. The Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you need to let this go. Let this go. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. And magkaroon ka ng new beginning sa sarili. Okay? The King of Chalices. Kung meron ka mga kailangang i-release na mga emosyon na hindi naman na dapat na nandyan, or sabihin nating nagbibigay burden na lang sa'yo kaya hindi ka, sabihin nating makausad, then release mo. Okay? Hindi ko nakikitang ending na to totally. May chance magkikita pa rin kayo ng taong to. Yes. May chance pa rin magkikita kayo ng taong to. Some of you, this is karmic. This is karmic. Karmic connection. Karmic ties. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita. Kailangan mo to i-let go. Kailangan mong may mga ma-realize something. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you. Cancer. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. They need you. Taurus. They're upset. Some of them, they're sad. Gemini. No good cooperation. Misunderstanding. Cancer. Cycle. They want to come back. They want to make a return. They want another chance with you. Leo. They want to speak out. Speak out. Okay. Speak up. I don't know. May mga kailangan tong malaman mo. Virgo. They love you. emotionally invested, I think. Libra, they're letting you go. Some of you, may mga sitwasyon na hindi talaga tumutugma. Kaya kailangan. Scorpio, they like you. They need you. Sagittarius, you're their wish fulfillment. Yeah. Their wish fulfillment. Capricorn, you'll hear from them soon. You'll hear from them soon. Aqua, doesn't want to talk. Doesn't want to communicate. Kasi wala namang mangyayari like that. Pisces, being patient. Some of them, they're waiting for you na magkaroon muli ng another chance. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, ganun rin po pagdating sa ating second channel na Love Letter. Thank you.